Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can open up the notification center when VoiceOver is turned on the iPhone 14 series. Now you need to swipe down on the left hand side and swipe down until you feel a second vibration. Now if you let your finger go at the first vibration, it will open up the control center instead. So let's take a look now. So if I swipe down at the top and drag it down to somewhere near the center of the screen, when you feel the second vibration, let go of your finger. And now it will open up the notification center. Now you can see that if I let go of my finger on the first vibration, it will open up the control center instead. So make sure that you feel the second vibration before you let go of your finger to open up the notification center. In fact, you can also swipe down from the center of the screen, and when you feel the second vibration, you let go. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.